Managing your vehicle's inventory does not need to be a challenge, and it does not need to be a stress point when your team fails to keep statuses updated on each vehicle all along the way through the repair or reconditioning process. In order to make this a fact for you, we want to automate your workflow, and that is a service that Autotext can provide in conjunction with our integration with Omnique. Let's take a look at how this works. Once you have added a ticket to Omnique, it's very simple to check in the vehicle. With Status Sync, all you do is you choose the status, and then you'll see the vehicle will appear immediately inside of Autotext. Now, we've already gone ahead and added this vehicle here for a Honda Odyssey. In this particular example, we're now ready to have our technician perform an inspection. Let's take a look at what happens when a technician starts performing the inspection for this vehicle. As the technician opens this on their tablet, they'll be confronted first of all with the note that we made in Omnique for the main reason for the visit. If a technician clicks anything in this inspection, such as the acknowledge button, you'll see that this vehicle has moved now firmly into the inspection status, completely automatic. This is also true for when the technician completes the inspection. When we go down here and click complete, this will cause the vehicle status to update once again, but this time it goes to the estimating status. With the results now delivered, your advisors or your estimators can now begin the work of finding out what needs to be done and what it's going to take to get it done on that vehicle. Administrating in Autotext is simple. Once you understand what you want your process to look like, you can come in here to Workflow Setup, where you can see a preview of your existing workflow, and you can come down here to then modify and change any of these statuses and steps. Each one of these also can automatically send a text update or an email to your specific client. This can be useful in both service, repair, or in the sales process to let the individuals that own or will own the vehicle know where it is at in the delivery or repair process. Go ahead and click these statuses and you can see that you can customize messaging, whether or not it does send a message. Different timers and other items can all be baked into this as well. Now, once your workflow is set the way you want it, you can come in here to the auto assign and update page. Now, if you aren't dispatching work, that's where the auto assign option is handy. Those options 1 through 4 on the top of this screen will give you the ability to assign technicians or service advisors based on whether they claim this ticket. These lower options are going to be related to the actual updating. As we saw earlier, this is the actions that technicians perform in a worksheet, whether it's our DVI, whether it's our actual digital work order, or our final quality control sheet. The actions taken in any of those sheets by different users can cause the ticket to update along the workflow. As you can see, the sooner you start managing your workflow, the less managing by walking around you'll have to do yourself. I hope you'll ask us a few questions on this. If you're interested in exploring these features, we'd love to help you leverage them. You can reach out to us at autotext.me, and we'll be glad to lend a hand.